Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. So it's a wonderful a week on Bank Nifty. There's so much of adventure, both on upside as well as downside. And that also included budget session. So before we proceed with our analysis for the coming week, let us see what we had discussed for the last week and what has actually happened. Okay, let us go back to our previous video and see. See, we said on the first day, that is 30th day, negative, and the 31st day onwards positive, and it worked out very well till the budget highs around 31,000. Let me change the color so that you can differentiate. Yeah, it went towards 42,000 on the budget day, and then a collapse towards 39,400 to 600, somewhere around. Say let us 500. Okay, on the budget day. So for the whole week, what we anticipated. So we expected market to take support around this level, 39,789, that is 39,889. It worked very well throughout the week, especially on the budget day. There has been a reversal from 39,500 and it went back to 40,400 plus. Okay, and throughout the week, it worked very well, 9,800. And on the top side, we expected market to bounce back once it moves above 41,000. This band, 41,000 to around 41,150. In our daily videos also, you can see that this number. We expected market to go towards 41,400, 41,600. So the same thing happened. If you look at what has happened today also, there is a low of 40,600 and a high of 41,513. So this 41,600 is not yet breached. We are well within that. Whether we are going to break above 41,600 and 42,000 also, let us see. Let us see what our charts are indicating. We'll look at different time frames, starting with weekly, daily. Okay. Uh, then we'll also look at the Bank Nifty from moving averages perspective. That is where it is taking support, where it is taking resistance. Okay. Here we go. This is a 1 week chart of Bank Nifty. And if you look at this candle closed just below this purple line. What is this purple line? This is 20 period moving average. Because we are having a chart of weekly, we have to say 20 weekly moving average. So it closed just below it. What is the number as on today? That is 20 weekly moving average, 41,538. Where we closed? 41,499. What is the day high? 41,539. Only 1 point difference between the moving average and the high. So the curvature of this line looks flat to downwards. Okay, flat to downwards. Okay, let us remember this. This is weekly chart, and this trend line is acting as resistance. Even if you find bullishness in the first 2-3 days of the week, you may, there is no surprise. Even if you go here, you may again come back. So let us also have a look at daily. So this is daily time frame chart, and what we indicated here are moving averages 20, 100 and 200. If you look at this 100-day moving average, where it is falling 41,622, and 20-day moving average is near the 100-day moving average, and it is coming from above to below. It means it is going to cross over. So what will happen if it crosses over? The moment the 20-day moving average crosses the 100-day moving average, or for that matter even any 50-day moving average or 200-day moving average, whatever you take it, the smaller time frame it indicates negativity, and this may become flat or even downward. But the overall trend, if you observe the curvature of this line, this is downwards. And what we discussed, to draw a trend line also, it is pointing downwards. So the trend is negative. So this is the budget low, and from there is some sort of recovery. What can we expect from here onwards? So 20 period moving average, it there was a crossover of 50, and 20 came below the 50-day moving average, and it is about to cross the 100-day moving average somewhere here. Okay, so you have to be very cautious that the overall trend is negative, though there is some sort of temporary positivity. This is 42, 610. Let us write down the numbers. So first it is 20 weekly moving average, 41,538. That is today's closure. 100-day moving average, 41,622. 20-day moving average, 41,822. 50-day moving average is around 41,000, 42,610. So based on this moving average, so the natural trend is likely to be on the lower side. Okay, but in case if there is any change of sentiment, we may look levels towards. So let us say 41,499 is the current closure. So we may expect levels towards first 41,600, 41,800, and then a move all the way towards, if this is breached and sustained, 42,000, then 42,600 level. Okay. So on the downside, what are the levels to look for? 41,150, 41,000, 40,000, 850, 40,000, 600. If this is breached and sustained below it, then 40,000, 39,800. Okay. In the worst case, bearish scenario, 38,900. So we are not going beyond 42,600 and 800 on the top side, and on the bottom side we'll be looking for 39,800. So the range is somewhere 2,800 points. The range is huge, but look at the curvature of this trend lines. They're going to cross over very soon. And the natural direction is, even if there is a positivity for a day or two, the natural direction is towards downside. So keep that in mind. Take care. Bye bye.